Check out this 2009 Holden Commodore.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.